Alright, this is the tire inflator. What's really nice is you can change the settings here on what type of tire that you're going to be inflating. See, it has a car right there, has a basketball, bike, etc. What's also really nice, it has a flashlight and that for emergencies, stuff like that, in case you're out in the darkness and need to pump tire and stuff. But yeah, I'm going to take it out and see how it works. Alright, here we go. I'm going to turn this on. Turn to the basketball. All full. Yeah, really nice here. Really nice here because you can change the tip. Works really well. But yeah, I'm gonna turn it off here. And yes, highly recommend it. Ball bouncing good.